Guys, welcome back. In this video I will be teaching you how to get this Minecraft software on your PC, on your Windows PC or your any other PC you have. So if you stick around this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that, a step-by-step guide on how you can get this game for free. If you are interested in using this game or playing this game on your PC, this video is for you. The game is called Minecraft. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to get the free trial that you can use. For the meantime, before you subscribe for the premium packages they have to offer. So for you to get this, you're going to click on your new tab and then search for Minecraft trial. So this is it. We're going to click on it here. So once it opens up, you're going to see how to start a free trial, and then you're going to see the step-by-step guide they are giving to you over here. So what I'm going to do here is to download the Java edition of the Minecraft. So my Windows is Windows 10/11. So I'm going to click on this. So it's going to download right now. It's going to download right now. So when it's done, we're going to install it together. I'm going to open up this on my downloaded files, and then I'm going to run as administrator. So right now I'm actually going to install this software on my PC so we can set it up to see how it runs. So I'm going to click on agree stuff here and click on install. So this is how you can get your Minecraft software for free and enjoy the game. So all you're going to do is just to sign up with your preferred account. You can choose random accounts, just sign up with it. Let's say I want to use, okay, I'm going to use this. I'm just going to sign up with this Outlook Microsoft account. That is it. So in this video, so I'll be showing more of the Minecraft on my channel. So if you want to learn how to play most of the games, just smash the subscribe button and then tell me on the comment section what you want to learn on the game so I can be able to make a video of it. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one.